So we're looking at following the signs to Sutton Town Centre. You'll see on the sign that it's veering to the right because the arrow's at 45 degrees, so it's not a turn right, it's a veer right. We've got no entry coming up there. We are giving way to traffic that's coming up that road. So in this example, we're going to keep to lane 1, giving way to traffic coming from the right. So I've slowed down till I've got a nice safe gap. And as I go around this corner, I'm keeping to lane 1 all the way around. I'm using this curb on the left as a guide to know where I'm going. So when we go around here, we are in the left lane. And this is ideal for if you're following the road ahead. So we're going to follow Sutton Town Centre, veering right. This time we're going to do it from lane 2. Don't matter if you do it from lane 1 or lane 2, but rule of the road to keep left. So if you do end up in lane 2, you've got to safely get back into lane 1. So this time we're going to do it from lane 2. Still giving way from the right like we did before. Looking for a safe gap. We've got one after this car. So this time we're going round in lane 2. If we were going to be turning right at a set of lights or turning right up here, then this is the correct lane to be in. But if we realise we're in the wrong lane, we've got to get over safely. So we've got to check the centre mirror, left mirror, and use your indicator. Tell people what you're doing. If you've got a car right behind you, that's where the indicators come in. You can get all the way to these lights, it merges into one, and you can merge in safely at these lights if you want to. But just be careful you don't leave it too late and get yourself coming back in unsafely.